Reserve 2 florets for eyes. Cut the florets off the rest of the broccoli. This is what it will look like when you are done. Move the broccoli to a bowl and add the Greek yogurt and ranch seasoning. Stir until well combined. Now take 2 slices of whole wheat bread. You are going to use the butter knife to cut them into a star shape. Or if you have a star-shaped cookie cutter, you can't use that instead. Try to make 4 or 5 triangles or points. Spread the broccoli yogurt mixture on the bread. Make sure to cover the tips of the triangles too. Sprinkle the mozzarella cheese on top. Place the second piece of bread on top. Move the Starfish Sammie to a microwave-safe plate. Poke the 2 reserved broccoli florets to create eyes. Take your Starfish Sammie to the microwave and cook for 30 seconds or until warm and the cheese is melted. Remove from the microwave and allow to cool for a couple minutes.